My bathroom cabinet used to be a graveyard of good intentions. Half-used tubes of whitening toothpaste sat next to fancy mouthwashes that promised miracles. I, like many people, worry about my teeth. I worry about cavities and bad breath. I even worry about the cost of a dental visit. So, I searched for simple solutions online. The internet is full of products, smiling faces, and glowing reviews. It is easy to believe a pill or powder could fix everything. This search led me to a supplement called Prodentim. Ads were everywhere. Feeds, articles, banners, all repeating the same message. They said modern dental products were harming our teeth. The supposed solution: repopulate the mouth with good bacteria. Prodentim was presented as the key to this secret. It felt new, different from the same old advice to brush and floss more. Curious and a little hopeful, I ordered a 1-month supply, planned to track changes, and dig into the science. Prodentim is a dietary supplement in a chewable tablet. You take one each morning and chew it slowly to spread ingredients throughout the mouth. The main idea is probiotics, so-called good bacteria and yeasts. We know them from gut health. Prodentim applies the idea to your mouth. It is sold online on an official website, not in local pharmacies. Expect long videos, testimonials, and urgency timers pushing special offers. The price is not cheap. Bundles encourage bigger, upfront spend and commitment. Commitment can make people feel it works, even if it does not. Packaging looks legitimate with ingredients and serving size listed. You will see the standard disclaimer: not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. That sentence signals it has not been proven like a medical drug. It is a hint to be skeptical of big claims. The claims are bold: significant improvements to oral health. By taking one small tablet daily, you supposedly support teeth and gums. They promise a healthier oral environment by repopulating good bacteria. It sounds scientific, like fixing a fundamental imbalance. They target bad breath, or halitosis. The idea: bad bacteria produce smelly compounds. Introduce good bacteria, crowd out the bad, get longer-lasting freshness. They also hint at helping gum health and inflammation. Claims extend to maintaining strong teeth, and sometimes whitening. Copy suggests protection against causes of cavities. They imply a brighter smile via a healthier microbiome. Together it paints a perfect all-in-one solution. It seems too good to be true. Time to separate pitch from proof. Let us look at the myths behind dental pills. And then the facts. Many dental supplements, including Prodentim, lean on myths. Myth 1: probiotics are a magic bullet for oral health. People assume what helps the gut works the same in the mouth. They think adding good bacteria solves cavities or gum disease. That is a huge oversimplification. Myth 2: a supplement can replace professional dental care. Marketing sometimes dismisses dentists as treating only symptoms. This erodes trust and delays real treatment. Delays can make problems much worse. Skipping checkups is risky. Myth 3: the secret ingredient or ancient remedy. Stories sell exclusivity. Ingredients are usually well known. Myth 4: natural means safe and effective. Natural does not guarantee results or freedom from side effects. Do not let a label stop you from asking hard questions. Fact: the probiotic magic bullet idea for teeth is not proven. Your mouth hosts hundreds of microbes. Balance is complex. Adding a few strains is like adding a few fish to a giant lake. They might not survive or change the ecosystem. A pill cannot replace a dentist. Only a pro can remove hardened plaque. Only a pro can repair decay. Only a pro can see hidden problems with X-rays. No secret sauce. The label lists standard strains: Lactobacillus paracasei, Lactobacillus reuteri, studied for years. These appear in other products. None are magical or hidden. The real secret is marketing, not the formula. Natural is not automatically better. Fluoride, a mineral, is proven to strengthen enamel and prevent cavities. Fear sells supplements, but the evidence for fluoride is far stronger. So what does the science say about Prodentim's ingredients? To judge potential, we look at evidence for each ingredient. Lactobacillus paracasei, small studies suggest it may reduce S mutans. S mutans is a key driver of cavities, but sample sizes are tiny and results are not definitive. Lactobacillus reuteri has more oral health research. Some lozenge studies show small reductions in gingival bleeding. There may be decreases in bacteria tied to gum disease. Many studies are industry funded. We need large, independent trials. B-lactis BL04R is mostly studied for gut and immunity. There is little direct oral evidence for chewable delivery. Company claims extend to balancing mouth bacteria and supporting the airway. Hard to find strong proof for preventing cavities or gum disease. Malic acid, found in strawberries, is linked in marketing to whitening. Acids can erode enamel. Dentists warn against DIY fruit whitening. Amounts in a chewable are likely small. Dramatic whitening is unlikely. Expect subtle at best, if anything. Overall evidence for the specific blend is weak. Claims combine preliminary data, not conclusive findings. Results are limited and mixed, so I tested it myself for 30 days. Each morning after brushing, I chewed one tablet as directed. Mild, slightly sweet and minty. It dissolved in about a minute. For the first few days, I noticed no difference at all. By week 1, maybe a tiny cleaner mouth feeling in the morning, very subjective. Into weeks 2 and 3, that subtle feeling continued. My family did not notice any breath change, no whitening to speak of. My gums felt the same. At day 30, I stopped. After stopping, that subtle clean feeling faded, and my mouth returned to normal. For the price, I expected more noticeable results. No miracle in the bottle. If there was any benefit, it was very minor, or placebo. Stopping did not make my oral health worse. It felt like an unnecessary addition to my routine. So what actually works? Narrator: good oral health comes from simple, consistent habits. Narrator: brush twice daily with fluoride for 2 minutes. Narrator: clean between your teeth every day with the tool you will actually use. Narrator: limit sugar, especially between meals, and drink water. Narrator: see a dentist regularly for checkups and professional cleanings. Narrator: my verdict: Prodentim is more marketing than medical. Narrator: high cost, low proven benefit. Narrator: your money is better spent on proven tools. Narrator: do not let clever marketing or timers rush you. Narrator: focus on the basics. They are the true secret to a healthy smile.